Umintri rangba kejela ukon rat ke sangma haga khat khandai trik nailar ulabu ya mawnongrim nakabenta ka project bakat palat sapoi laktingka naka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund arja apasan arja apunrio bante ya ka kynroh jong ka headquarter ka Seng Bah Nongshat Nongkhien hinyo tram hinyo skum habanyun apashlong ha ka jingadon lang u MLA ka Milliam uba Ronnie V Lingdo habakran ha ka jingalang umintri rangba ulaong bakaniga program ka DE tang halor ka jingbe tingka ka CMSDF Henry ka de ka jingbeteng ya ka jingmud jong ka sarkar ban yada bat ban kentiu ya ka jingle jingkam tenrai bat ka kol shor bat kam tam ka jing ithu kerpang jong kibrio ngasngok men shibun ban yo I ya ka kinhuan wangala ka balawan hang ni ban shimbenta ha ka ni ka program ngasngo bakadei ka barit Henry ka khubor ka baklan bapila an shaki pai ba ka jela bat nga ai khublei na ka benta kata ulaong haba banjur halor ka dor jong ka jing yala ka jong ka jet pin rio bat ya ka ten rai da ka ba nyokor ya ka dor jong ka jinga tuli kadai tang da ka jinga tuli bat jing buram bat tang da ka jinga trilang bangin la ban jam shakhamat kum ka imlang sa lang bat kum ka jela Kakermen baka ni kajinga long shpara, kajing kajing buram, bajinga teli, kanyay beteng benang kiu, rasong ulaang. Ya kaseng Bah Nongshat Nongkhien, seng house nam kat kendai spa prapuar, ha madan riting shlong. Hadien kajing seng eka, kaseng kalathit eka jaka habanyun, ling ba kajinga nok senyang jeng kirang ba, balatip kum kiriu temen, haringkat kidikot kaseng, balabu kum ka headquarter jong kaseng, bat beteng ban shakri kum kajaka ban trei ki kam ki jam jong ka seng kajing thmu bat ka thong ba kongsan jong ka Seng Bah Nongshat Nongkhien kalong banyara ban tendenti ekipat khasi ki badang bat yakanyam tenrai ka seng ka angnut ru ban tingkai bat ajing tip shaphang ka rukam panyat yakanyam ka rukam kajing le nyam nak benta kajing mentoy jong ki long yeng long sam bat ka jat bin rio bat ban beten lenti ban ajing arab ikiriu shiman hakaleng karilum khasi baribhai bat kino ki bakwa bantep bat pan jingarap na ki riu temen ki Nongshat Nongkhien ki bayadon benta bat kaseng ki dekhat kaseng ki airu ya ka jingarap shiki briu ki badan ka jing shitom na ki jingpang ba pher ling ba ka jing tuai tan rai ka kinya ka kriam ki wei ki la jing sumar
This event today is absolutely in line and continuing the process of this government's commitment to ensure that we uphold, protect, promote the traditions, the cultures, and most importantly, the identity of our people. As a government, we have always believed that while development is absolutely necessary, and it is for development that we as a government are here to work for the people, the development cannot come at a cost or with a compromise on our identity and on our culture and on our people and our traditions. It is with that belief and that commitment that this program today is happening. And this is a program which is going to revisit the different aspects of the culture, the history, the different traditions, and connect all of them through a systematic and a scientific process, studying the different language and linguistic affiliations, different aspects of architecture, different aspects of food, traditions, DNA mapping to different communities and different tribes throughout the Southeast Asian part of the globe. And the idea is really to further establish our deep connection, our roots, and as I mentioned, to scientifically research it and come out with documentation to be able to establish the roots of the Khasi Jaintia communities in our state and throughout the region. Similarly, we'll be doing a same study for the Garo community also, and studying the roots and revisiting, tracing, and going into research of the roots of the Garos also. And obviously, everybody is there to protect their community, their group, their identity, their culture. And there's nothing wrong in that. But I've always said this one very small thing. It is always the way you look at others, which is very important. Loving, respecting, and protecting your own community, your own identity, there is nothing wrong in that. That is how we all feel, and that's what makes us patriotic, as we say. And it's a good thing to be patriotic. You must love your people. You must be passionate about it. But what is something that I don't like, I should say, is loving your own people and community, but hating others. And I think this small difference of ensuring that you love your community, you love your group, you be patriotic, but you don't have to be communal to love your own people. There's a very big difference between communal mindset and a patriotic mindset. Patriotic mindset always believes in loving his own people and respecting others. Communal is trying to protect your people by hating others. I think there's a very big difference in the mindset. Now, the reason I'm telling you that today, don't take it otherwise. The reason I'm telling you that today is I was very, very happy to see a small gesture of having the Wangala group coming here and performing in this program. I think it's a very small, but I must say a very powerful message that you are giving to the people of the state. I thank you for that. 0.17 crores. Or whether it's the development of the indigenous cultural center of Seng Khasi Khmer at Maukar, Shillong for 15.17 crores. Or many such small programs which you've been having, where on a continuous basis, without hesitation, and I stress on this word, without hesitation, we have supported all these programs in the past. The day Baroni had brought your leaders to the state guest house to meet me, I'm sure that they will recall that even in that moment, my reply to you was without any hesitation. I did not think, I did not give excuse, and I did not say, let me figure out how I will do this. Right there and then, I gave my commitment and I signed on the papers sanctioning the 41.6 lakhs for this boundary wall. And that was the estimate that was given out there. And I must put on record the contribution of Baroni. It is because of his efforts that we are all here today. So let us give a round of applause to Baroni also. The government of Meghalaya is coming out with a special scheme. And that scheme is to promote the different cultural, traditional, and the religious aspects of our state. We don't have a dedicated scheme for infrastructural projects like these. If you recall, Government of India has a scheme called Prasad scheme under Tourism Ministry. And it is meant to promote the religious tourism locations and destinations. But we don't have that kind of scheme, and that scheme also is something that is lapsed. I believe that there is so much richness in our state that we need to develop all of these aspects. In the wedding club in Tuber, I had met the Senrite people out there, and they had requested for a museum to be constructed. That is the moment actually when this idea came to me, that instead of giving small projects once in a while to some group who asks and then others who don't ask, they don't get, let us come out with a program that's going to help all different groups, all different religious faiths, all different aspects where tourism can be linked to our traditional and our religious beliefs. And therefore, I'm happy to inform you that that program is being prepared, that scheme is being prepared. We will launch it within this year itself. And through that scheme, we will be supporting different kind of religious tourism-based infrastructures, where, of course, as I said, we will work closely with different faith-based organizations to develop this program while we ensure that we continue to support our religious faiths and organizations and leaders who are in it. We also would like to see that infrastructural support and aspects of tourism are also linked with a lot of documentation and different infrastructures being created. So this is something that is very important, and I'm happy that we will be very soon launching this project. And I hope that here also we'll be able to do something based on that particular scheme and project in the days in the future, in the days to come.